they want to go on the road. So I'm going to spend some time with my dad. And this will be a good thing, I think. In the state of Washington, under near constant cover of clouds and rain, there is a small town named Forks. Population, 3,120 people. This is where I'm moving. My dad's Charlie. He's the chief of police.